Welcome to the Pastimes Digital Media Production Curriculum. In this lesson, we will explore the basics of Audacity audio editor and recording application software. After this lesson, you should be able to download, install, and use Audacity application for producing high-quality audio content. Audacity is an easy-to-use multi-track audio editor and recorders for Windows, Mac, Linux, and other operating systems. It was developed by a group of volunteers as open source. You can download it from the following link. Here are the steps on how you can install Audacity on your computer. First of all, download Audacity. When you install Audacity, a new small window will appear with choices for the language you would like to use on Audacity's interface. Choose your desired language, press OK, and then Next. By clicking Next on the window that appears, it means that you agree with the rights and regulations for using this application. The last window shows an option to add a shortcut of the application in your desktop. Make up your mind and click Next again. To finalize the installation, unclick the option to launch Audacity and click Finish. Now it's time to import an existing audio file from your hard drive, a CD, or from other resources. Choose File, Import Audio, Audio. Then navigate to the file being imported. It will appear as a new track, displaying as a blue image in a WAV form, although it is also possible to be displayed as a spectrogram. Usually we use two types of tracks, monotrack and stereo track. You can set up the way you want the track to be displayed from the menu Preferences. Open Preferences and on the devices from the drop-down menu of channels, select mono or stereo. If you select Audacity Mono Track, most voice recording will be done as a mono or single channel soundtrack. This blue image shows the waveform of a mono track. Let's get introduced now with Audacity Stereo Tracks. A stereo track is a group of two audio tracks that are grouped together. Stereo tracks include both a right and a left channel, as you can see. The top waveform is the left channel and the bottom form is the right channel. There are two alternative ways for importing an audio file. The first one is by going to the menu Tracks, picking New Track, and specifying whether you want an audio, stereo, or label track. Or you can simply drag your file into the Audacity window. As you can see, the buttons on the Audacity toolbar are displayed in the traditional way. From left to right they are pause, play, stop, skip to beginning, skip to end, and record. Now it's time to explore a little bit more the Audacity application. For deleting a track, click on the X in the upper left corner. The title of the track appears just on the right of the X sign. Clicking on the drop-down menu on the title bar, you will be allowed to rearrange tracks and change various track options. The options include naming a track, ranging tracks, changing the display, splitting stereo tracks, and setting sample format and rate, etc. Whenever you change an option, this change will be displayed on the control panel. For example, if you change the name of a track, the new name will be shown on the title bar. If you split the stereo track into monotrack, you won't see the gain and left-right pan. The mute button turns off the sound playback from a track, and the solo button causes only the sound from one track to be heard, and the other tracks are muted. The gain control affects the volume of the track. You can move it to the left to decrease the volume of the track or the right to increase it. The default is 0 decibels. The left-right panning slide affects the balance between left and right speaker. You can apply effects by navigating to the effects tabs and clicking the desired effect. After you select the effect, Audacity will open a new small window where you can find different parameters to fine-tune the effect that you will apply to your audio. After you have completed your soundtrack, click the yellow square or stop near the top. This is how all the functions will become available to you. Then click File, Export, and Save As. A box will appear where you should name your track, and after choosing the file format, for example WAV, click Save. For more detailed lessons, please follow the link. Congratulations! You have just completed this short lesson on the basics of audio editing software. For more lessons, please visit the project website pastimes.eu.